You can see the 30,000 people are sitting in the one place, the world's most biggest spiritual and humanity development program.
How can you change yourself mentally? How can you change yourself emotionally? That there are various problems in life. The war is there, the stress is there, but how do you overcome it?
So guys, you can see right now I am at the biggest program in the India's biggest program. You can see the people here, but the main program, main stage is this side. We are going inside this program and ask to some volunteers, see some volunteers, what is the program actually and why these people are gathering. I can see the thousands of people are sitting here. What is
The program here is called Manav Utkarsh Mahotsav.
humanity development?
Yes, please. Which is basically how you can transform your inner life, mental life, emotional life in all ways. So it is done and it is organized by the Sanstha called BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha, and everything is done under the guidance of our Guru Hari, Pragat Guru Hari, Mahant Swami Maharaj. And right now, the all event, the speaker is Puja Apurva Muni Swami, who every day is bringing different topics and how he can bring a change in every human being. So we can see over here, there are 30,000 chairs that are arranged.
20,000 chairs.
No, 30,000 chairs.
30,000.
Yeah.
You can see the 30,000 people are sitting in the one place, the world's most biggest spiritual and humanity development program. This is the, yes, please.
And trust me, these chairs are not enough. Before even the program ends, all of them are full. But plus the chairs, there are thousands of public that come here and just walk around and go by. So these chairs are not even enough for us. That's how much public is coming every day. But yes, one thing, every day once they come, they don't leave without having a message with them. Every day something is taken back with them home. There are so many topics that are covered here. The first one was Sankalp Sakar Karwana Sutro, like how you can achieve your dreams. What is the message that's there that can help you achieve your dreams? The second one was Sab Dardo Ki Ek Dawa. There are thousands of problems going on in this world, but what is that one solution, which is Ghar Sabha? Every day a whole family sits together, they discuss their problems and they try to come up with solutions for them. Then the other day was Arya Santano Saudan. Right now we can see how social media is taking over everyone's lives, right? So Swami was guiding us on how we can overcome the social media, how we can overcome the ongoing drugs and cigarettes and all those bad habits. That's called Vyasan Mukti. So right now so many balaks and balikas, they are going and like,
These are all the kids.
yes, kids.
How years old the kids, the age of the kids?
3 to 15 years.
You can see the small kids, 3 to 15 years kids. They are the managing this program. They are the performing on the stage. You can see they have managed all the event. You can see this is the power of spirituality, power of the volunteering system.
Actually, these Bal and Balikas here, they are doing a Parivarik Shanti Yagna every day, where from the age of 3 to 13 years, all these Bal Balikas, they recite the Satsang Diksha Shlok. Those are 315 shloks. We are aware that in Vadodara, when the 92nd Janma Jayanti of Mahant Swami Maharaj was done, they all received the Guinness World Record, where thousands of Bal and Balikas recited the 315 Satsang Diksha shloks. Imagine a small 3-year-old daughter does not even know how to speak Gujarati, but she mastered the whole Satsang Diksha 315 shloks. So there are so many various Bal Balikas, right? Despite their small age, they are doing the yagna, they are reciting the shlok with full confidence. They don't have any fear. They only have one goal in their mind, that's to make their Guru Hari Raji, how to make their Swami Bapa Raji. So every day there are various topics that are discussed. Then there are various programs that are also happening, like we have the Pradarshan Khand, where how we can transform ourselves mentally, emotionally, physically, what kind of food we should have, what kind of activities we should be doing, like walking, physical activities, how we can control ourselves emotionally and also mentally. So Swami is basically trying to tell us that every day, work, family, everything matters, but what you have to do is change yourself first. How can you change yourself mentally? How can you change yourself emotionally? Then he also talked about our Bharat. We should have pride for our country. There are so many devotees staying overseas. There are so many people staying overseas. But do they really know about India? So he really emphasized that we should have asmita of our country. How we can be helpful to our country. How we can serve our country. When someone is talking bad about it, how should you overcome the problem? So there are various topics he is talking about them. So today's topic is about that there are various problems in life. Then why is that God helping us? How can we why should we blame ourselves? Why aren't we finding the solution despite all these problems? So today he is talking about the solutions that we should have in our mind, the thoughts that we should have in our mind, that despite all the problems coming back in our life, what is the reason behind it? How should we deal with them? Then tomorrow he is talking about how a person can be very happy despite all the problems in life. So every day he is talking about various topics that transform a human being very well. Like we can see, there are so many struggles going on. The war is there, the stress is there, but how do you overcome it? So Swami is emphasizing on how to overcome the mental stress. So many people have business problems, right? Family problems, work problems, peer pressure that's going on. So Swami is just trying to tell us that there are various small solutions, but they can transform your life very well.
So many people, so many friends, so many my international friends are asking me why you are looking like I'm energetic, why you have your face very smiley. Just I say, just every day morning, just I start my morning with gratitude, with prayer, with meditation, with yoga. Then you can see the energy, my face, my aura. This is the beauty of, this is the power of our Indian culture. If you want to live effortless living, if you want to live healthy living, if you want to live life joyfully, so that you need to must visit India and you adopt this culture. Yes. So guys, this is the one of the most biggest program in India. It's not any kind of motivational program or anything, but this program is about the humanity development, how human make inside the human. So this is the humanity development program. See you soon. Thank you.